Welcome, here I've got NOKIA C20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second position now we have the grid, so by using the button from the right we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and as you can see here in the preview we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the right to the gallery button, we can't see them at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner, tap to the grid, and for now they are turned off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.